Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus TickTick. Notion serves as a highly flexible workspace, perfect for notes, databases, and project management, offering an all-in-one solution. TickTick, on the other hand, is a dedicated and powerful task manager, designed specifically for efficient to-do lists, reminders, and habit tracking. We'll explore their distinct features to help you decide which tool best suits your productivity needs. Notion truly shines with its incredible customization. You can build almost anything using its block-based editor, from simple notes to complex project dashboards with interconnected databases. It supports various content types, allowing for rich media integration and collaborative editing. This makes it an excellent choice for teams needing a centralized, adaptable hub for all their information and workflows. TickTick excels in streamlined task management. It offers intuitive features like natural language processing for quick task entry, a built-in Pomodoro timer to boost focus, and comprehensive habit tracking. Its robust calendar view helps you visualize your schedule, and it seamlessly synchronizes across over 10 different devices, ensuring your tasks are always accessible wherever you are. Ultimately, your choice depends on your primary needs. If you require an extremely versatile, all-in-one workspace for diverse projects, extensive note-taking, and complex data organization, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if your main priority is efficient, focused task management, habit tracking, and quick to-do list creation across many devices, TickTick will serve you exceptionally well. Consider what problem you're trying to solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.